So hi everyone, when we look at the chart, we can see that we have a clear downtrend right here. It's followed by a series of lower highs and then lower low patterns. And then here we got a very big retracement, actual almost a change in trend. But the bears said, no, let us keep going down. And then we continued into this downtrend. But the bulls said, no, we want an uptrend. So when you look at the chart, we can be able to spot that there are some turning points which are remarkable and they can be visually seen. So for example, when you look right here, in a previous series of videos we've been watching, we can see that right here we have what we call the bullish engulfing pattern, and it signifies that there is going to be a big retracement or there's going to be an entire change in trend. But in this video, we are not looking at the bullish engulfing, rather we are looking at the three white soldiers. Okay, so when you look here, we have a series of bullish candles, 1, 2, 3, and that is what we call the three white soldiers. We have 1, and then 2, and then 3. They are all bullish in a row. 1, 2, 3. They appear in the same. As one happens, another one, and another one. That is what we call the three white soldiers. It is a very strong bullish indicator, and therefore it leads to a very big retracement or an entire change in trend. So we can see that even right here, where the market turned from, we have this pattern. We have 1, 2, 3 strong bullish candles, which show that we are going to change the trend. So in this video, we are going to be studying more about these three white soldiers. So this video has everything you need to know about the three white soldiers. And once again, we say the three white soldier candlestick pattern is a pattern that occurs on a downtrend at the bottom of a downtrend, and it shows that we are going to change the trend into an uptrend. And it is accompanied by three strong bullish candles which appear one after the other. This is 1, 2, 3. And then we can be able to buy and then catch the wave up. Okay. So once again, we are looking at the three white soldiers, and we said they occur on a downtrend, and we get them as three strong bullish candles which appear one after the other. And after they have occurred, we expect that the downtrend has reached its end, and then we are expecting an uptrend. Okay. So three white soldiers is a three candle bullish pattern that implies a reversal at the bottom of a bearish trend. And the three white soldiers are bullish candles that open within the body of the previous candle and close near the high of the day. Okay. So what we mean by closing near the high of the day is whereby you can have two candles like this. Okay. And then you can have another candle which is like this. So when you read the candlestick, we can see that this is the high, and then at the lower wick is where we find the low of the day, and this is the high of the day. So this candle is supposed to at least close near the high of the day. So if you have, for example, if this third candle here was an inverted hammer like this wouldn't be confirmed as a three white soldier because this candle did not close near the high of the day. Okay, so for this candlestick pattern to be confirmed, these three candles which come one after the other, they are supposed to close near the high of the day, and we agreed that the high is at the wick. At the top of the wick is the high, so the body is supposed to close near the top of the wick to confirm to have closed near the high of the day. Okay. So this applies to all the three candles. They should all be strong bullish candles with small wicks and close near the top. And these high closes imply strong reversal from bearish to bullish market sentiment. So here we expect that the market is going to change from a downtrend into an uptrend. And if it's not a successful change in trend, we shall get a very big retracement within that, or a very big correction within that downtrend. Okay. So on this chart, we are going to be looking at this candlestick pattern to see where they occurred and if the market really changed. So for example, when you look at right here, we can see that we are coming from a downtrend. Okay, we can all see that. But after reaching the bottom of this downtrend, we can see that we have this bullish candle which is strong, followed by another big or strong bullish candle, followed by another strong bullish candle. All of these candles are closing near the high of the day. You can see they have very short wicks at the tip. Okay, these wicks which are the top are short, all of these three candles, and that is what we call the three white soldiers. And when they happened, we can see that we got a very big correction within the market. So here the bears fought the price back, but when you look here, we can see that we have 1, 2, and then 3 candles. But when we see the first and the second, this one did not close at the nearest of the close of the day. Okay, and then you can see the middle candle is strong enough, but the third candle is a tiny candle which shows indecision between the bears and the bulls. So that is not a confirmed 3 white soldier pattern, and therefore we do not trade it as a 3 white soldier. But when you look right here, we have these 3 strong white candles, sorry, these 3 strong bullish candles, and you can see that they significantly showed that these are 3 white soldiers, and then the market made a very big wave up. So even right here, we can see that here we have a very clear pattern of the 3 white soldiers. All of the 3 candles are strong, 1, 2, and then 3. So this is a confirmed sure deal that we are going to go back to this top right here and collect a lot of pips, and this is our take profit one, irrespective of how far it is as a target. Okay, so what will happen in the market is that it will not go at a straight line to reach there, but we expect series of higher high and then higher low to reach our target. Okay, so patience is also key within the market. So when you look at this chart, once again, we can be able to see that we have patterns where we have these 3 white soldiers. For example, right here, this 1, 2, and then 3. As long as we get 3 solid bullish candles, we confirm that we have a 3 white soldier pattern, and then it was accompanied by a change in trend or a very big retracement. So right here, we have 2 strong bullish candles, and even right here, we have 2 strong bullish candles, but they were not confirmed because we didn't get a third bullish candle. But when you look right here at a downtrend, okay, here we have a series of a clear downtrend, and when we reached this bottom, we formed this pattern, 1, 2, 3 strong bullish candles, and then we could be able to buy and then catch the wave up, and it happened once again right here. You can see that we have the 3 white soldiers. So our entry point on 3 white soldiers is a few pips above the third candle, and then the stop loss should be at least below the lower wick of the middle bullish candle, and then you can be able to get a wave up. If you don't use that format, you can use 1.5 of the ATR. So this is where the buy stop is, and then you can put your stop loss here or right here. Okay, and then still here you can put your buy stop order right here, and then you put here. Once again, we don't enter the market price. We use limit orders to leverage on their benefits. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Jordan. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for support and also for more videos like this.